The NetSecOps dashboard can be reached by navigating to Dashboard and selecting NetSecOps. The NetSecOps dashboard provides visibility into microsegmentation network flows. In order to fully understand what this dashboard is displaying, it is important to recognize the significance of these numbers. The bold numbers on the left represent the current namespace, in this case root. The number on the right represents the child namespaces. For example, if we look at policies, we see how many are defined at the root and how many are defined in the child namespaces. Below this, we can view flow statistics for each time period. These are further broken down into accepted and rejected flows. Let's navigate through and see how these numbers change based on the namespace we are in. Notice how the number for policies have changed based on our namespace. To return, simply click on the To Parent Namespace button. The NetSecOps dashboard is a dashboard that helps you visualize your network flows. The data dashboard provides visibility into S3 storage. We reach the data dashboard by navigating to Dashboard and then selecting Data. This dashboard provides you with a visual representation of total buckets, publicly exposed objects, policy violations, etc. We will review each of these in turn. Let's start with total buckets. This category displays the overall number of buckets and lets us know the portion that are private and not publicly accessible, and the portion that is accessible to everyone, that is, accessible by the public. The total objects element breaks down the number of objects and their object exposure. Further, it tells us which objects contain malware. You can drill down into any of these. For example, we can drill down on the objects containing malware and view these in the data inventory view. With top publicly exposed objects by profile, you can view the top 5 publicly exposed objects that have financial information, healthcare, personally identifiable information, and intellectual property data profiles. Top object owners by exposures displays the top 5 object owners with associated public, conditional, and private exposures. Data alerts by severity displays alerts by high, medium, and low severity levels. The top data policy violations graph shows the top policy violations and how many objects are in violation of said policies. Object profile by region helps you determine graphically where particular data profiles exist. For example, if we filter on healthcare, we can drill down to the region and also drill down to the objects in that region. As you can see, the data dashboard is extremely useful for keeping track of S3 objects along with related policy violations and exposures.